Do you have any idea what I could do to encourage this brown turkey fig tree to produce figs that will get ripe? It produces hundreds of them, but only 10% ever get ripe. And this is Sammy. So Doc, what do you think about that? About the old fig, right? The brown turkey fig, which is, popular.
Yeah, it's been around gosh,
forever.
hundreds of years, long time.
Right.
But when I saw the picture, before I read the question, I thought he's asking about the winter kill.
Yeah.
Because it looks like my figs all got killed flat to the ground.
Okay.
And I'm in Zone 7 in North Mississippi, so they're coming out, but I'm not gonna have any figs because the little old stems are just not big enough to bear. But I think his problem may be, if this is an ongoing problem, it may be just a stress, because we've had irregular watering or raining, and we've had high temperatures with high humidity.
Yes.
Now, where is Sammy? He doesn't say, does he?
We don't know what Sammy is, but all of those factors.
He
It's
may
probably
be in
somewhere
the
down in
south.
this area.
Yeah,
brown
he's
turkey.
probably in the south.
Right.
So if it's a brown turkey,
Right.
because he couldn't be up north,
Right.
couldn't grow it. But anyway, I think it's they're susceptible to stress. Stress being lack of water or irregular watering, dry spells and wet spells, and then also high humidity. And what I would say is to irrigate and mulch them.
That's what I would say.
Yeah, I always mulch my figs because I know they're shallow rooted.
Yes.
Number one, they
Yes.
have very shallow roots. So when you have dry weather, they're going to get stressed out.
Yep.
If they're not watered. So
I would agree with that, Doc. That's good stuff. Mr. John, anything you want to add to that?
No, I know people who pull the figs off before they're really ripe because they don't want to give them to the birds, essentially. But this, he says they never ripen at all. That's a different.
Right, only 10% ever get ripe, and that's due to some type of stress.
That's stress.
That's the stress.
I would think it's a stress situation.
I would definitely think that as well.
So if he can get his handle on the watering, can't do anything about the humidity.
Yeah, can't do anything about that. And mulch, I think that's most important.
And then just regular fertilizing.
I think
That would,
All right.
maybe that'll help.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.